Check it out, friends. We got a new tool to show off and demo today. This is the Lexivon 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure. It's obviously a tape measure, but then it also has this really cool digital laser that's built right into the tape measure just to make your measurements that much more accurate. Let's get this out of the box and check it out. Now, really quickly, you can see that the long distance laser is able to measure up to 130 feet or 40 meters. And then the measuring tape goes up to 16 feet or 5 meters. Inside the box, you're going to find the tape measure. We'll take a closer look at that in a sec. Your instruction manuals, as well as a little screwdriver to undo the battery compartment where we're going to be putting batteries. The tape measure itself looks really nice and well built. It's sturdy, but doesn't feel super bulky. We have an on-off button here on the side. Again, that's going to be for the laser measuring. You can see we have the tape right here. It's a thinner piece of tape. You can see it's not as wide as some of the other tape measures that I've used. And then we have the little button to retract the tape. And then we have a little digital screen on top that's going to give us our digital readout. We also have a belt clip on the back here just to make things a little more portable and easy. Let's go ahead and take off that battery compartment and make sure those batteries are installed. I'm going to pull this off. It's a super little screw that comes out easily enough. We'll open it up, and as you can see, batteries are included. Make sure you remove this little plastic film, and that will enable the contacts to touch those batteries and ensure they are working. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this back up. Okay, so let's do a quick test here in our dining room. Let's say I wanna measure to the edge of that wall. That's roughly 6 feet from where I'm standing. And so what we'll do is we'll turn on the laser first. I'm just gonna click that button once. As you can see, the digital display comes on. And you can also see that little laser light now that I'm shining on the wall. So I want to get from here right above this chair, and so we can compare it with the tape. So what I'll do is I'll click the button again on the side and it will take a measurement. As you can see, it's measuring just over 6 feet. Now, if we wanted to take a second measurement, I can actually continue to hold it still. I can push that one more time. That first measurement moves into the up position, and then we're ready to take one more. So let me again put that dot right above the chair. Let's go ahead and hit that button one more time. And as you can see, again, we're getting roughly the same measurement. Now you can also change this over into meters by pushing and holding the button for 3 seconds. As you can see, that changes to meters. And then we can push and hold this for 5 seconds, and that's gonna turn that digital display off. Let's go ahead and compare it with the measuring tape. Okay, we've got the measuring tape out, and I'm roughly in the same spot. Again, it's a little hard because I was standing, but as you can see, that's just over 6 feet. So it looks like this thing is fairly accurate, again, with my testing here. And having both the tape option as well as that laser measure is really, really cool in a single device here. So there you go, friends. That's the Lexivon 2-in-1 laser measuring tape. Again, the model number is the LX201. Go check it out for yourself right here on Amazon. If you like these tool review videos, then definitely give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We got a bunch more that are coming out here in just a little bit. We'll see you again on the next one.